A paper straw, wrapped in plastic, environmentally friendly, covered in the very thing it was supposed to replace. Funny? Yes. But wait, are you doing the same thing with your faith? You go to church, you share scripture online, you say, "I trust God," but at night, you can't sleep because the worry won't stop. You talk about forgiveness, but there's one person you haven't forgiven in 2 years. You preach patience, but 5 minutes in traffic and you're already falling apart. Psychology has a name for this. It's called cognitive dissonance. When what we believe and what we actually do don't match, and we keep convincing ourselves that everything is fine. But deep down, we know. This isn't just a spiritual weakness, this is a psychological pattern. Researchers call it moral licensing. When we do one good thing, we unconsciously feel like we've earned a pass on the things we're hiding inside. Went to church today, so a little anger tomorrow is okay. Posted a Bible verse today, so the bitterness inside can wait. But Jesus said something different. He said, "I didn't come to change your behavior. I came to change your heart. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Romans 12:2. The renewing of your mind. This isn't just spiritual language. This is neuroscience. When your mind is renewed, your neural pathways literally change. Your reactions shift, your priorities realign. Transformation starts from the inside, not the outside. So here's an honest question. Are you renewed or just rewrapped? Is it the same old fear just wrapped in the language of faith? Is that need for control hiding behind the label of God's plan? Is that hunger for approval running under the name of ministry? This is not judgment. This is a mirror, because I'm standing right here too. But here's the good news. God knows how to remove the plastic wrap. He promised, "He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion." Philippians 1:6. So today, do one thing. Identify one thing that is still wrapped. Fear? Pride? Bitterness? Control? Give it a name. Lay it before God. Because healing starts right there. And if this touched you, share it with someone who feels rewrapped right now. Comment below and tell me, what plastic wrap did you identify today? I read every single one. God is not done with you yet. He's not done with me either.